Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're going to be getting into the winter Fab Fit Fun box. Can't wait to dig in. I enjoyed my picks, and it's a fun lifestyle subscription box. If you're new, I'm Laura. Wyatt is the furry sidekick hiding behind me. We sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. FabFitFun is a lifestyle subscription box. It comes out every season. And they have all kinds of customizations. So they will show you when the window opens for customizations, they'll show you like a collection of 5-6 items and you pick the one you want. If you like more than one, you can get more than one. You just pay that price tag. And usually there are no more than 30. Some might be 30, some might be 15, some might be 10, some might be 7, depending on which ones that you want to add to your box. But otherwise, you can just pick your selection from what they share with you. I think it goes through 5 or 6 different customizations, and then it'll come to you every season. $59.99 a season. If you use my link down below, you get $10 towards your first box. All right, and then you get about 6 to 8 full-size items, and they run the gamut of kitchen to beauty products to hair products to jewelry, all kinds of things. All right, so here we go. We're digging into the box, and it says, FabFitFun is a nice place where nice people get nice things at nice prices. That's what that little circle says. All right, so right on top, there is a little Happy Holidays note, and it says, this season, we're more grateful than ever for you, our incredible FabFitFun community. Happy holidays from our FabFitFun family to yours, wishing you endless cheer, a fabulous 2025, and a few surprises along the way. Katie and the FabFitFun team. I like the little picture they sent. That is really cute. All right, let's dig in. Okay, so Xena, the tan puppy, has decided to join us, and of course she's eating treats. So if you hear noises, that's what it's all about. Let's dig into my box. I am super excited. I tend to go really heavy on beauty products because I feel like they do come at an amazing price. So that is typically what I pick. The box can be valued at anywhere from about $200 to $300. And for your $59.99 price. All right, so first up is Murad. So this is the targeted wrinkle corrector. And it says this instant filler will be your new instant fave. It's a powerful peptide meets hyaluronic acid treatment that floods wrinkles and fine lines with hydration so your skin appears smoother. It even helps your skin resist future wrinkles. I love that. So we definitely call that a win. So it's great for wrinkle treatment, anti-aging. And this is a 0.5 full ounce. Let me see what it looks like. Oh, here's what it looks like. That's the first item. Next up. Now I have Pat McGrath. This is the Matte Trainee Lipstick. And it says this groundbreaking formula unlocks the secrets behind Pat's legendary lip look. Designed to deliver pure color in one swipe, the creamy matte lipstick cloaks lips in a high-impact couture quality pigments. Unique oil-infused powders in the formula ensure it feels featherweight and ultra-comfortable on lips while also making application effortless. Oh, this one's dark. Check that out. Oh, it looks nice. I already have lipstick on, or I'd put it on. I don't think you're going to tell what color it is, but that looks really nice there. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let's see. I'll put more right there. Maybe you guys can see that better. It's very creamy. Feels nice on my hand, at least. It says swipe it on directly from the bullet for an intensely opaque finish. Paint it on with a lip brush for the ultimate precision, or press it onto your lips with your finger for a beautiful blurred stain. I love that. I didn't even think of doing the basically press on. It has a little bit of like a brick color to it, doesn't it? Yeah. All right. The value of the Pat McGrath is $39. So that is the retail value of this one. And then for the Murad, it was $39 as well. All right, we're going to keep going. Next up, we have Perricone MD Essentials. It says Smoothing and Brightening Under Eye Cream. This is valued at $125. So this is always the fun stuff that you get that you probably wouldn't want to pay that for. Smoothing and Brightening Under Eye Cream. This is 0.5 full ounces. And it says that with results you'll need to see to believe, this brightening under eye cream has balm-like texture that literally melts into your skin to nourish, soften, and brighten the gentle skin around your eyes. It says you'll be able to trick people into thinking you got 8 hours of sleep, since this balm also works to reduce the appearance of dark circles, fine lines, and wrinkles. It says it's fragrance-free. I'm excited to try that. I think we could all use that once in a while. So next up, I have, there are so many goodies in here. Oh, I think I bought, before I get to this next one, I think that I bought, I must have got a second one of the Pat McGrath. There's 2 of them in here. So the color that I shared with you first was Flesh 2. And then I also have Fever Dream. Let's see what this one looks like before I get on to the next item. I didn't realize I picked 2 of them. Take that one out. That one's a little bit lighter, a little brighter. All right, so I'm going to try these on for you, and outfit of the day. I'll have to call it out. Okay, so next up is the Riddle Roll-On Fragrance Oil. He says the easiest way to smell good all day. This fragrance oil has a light, fresh scent and is easy to carry with you, which I love. When you're out and about, just a quick dab on your neck or wrist delivers delicious notes of peach, coconut, peony, balanced with bergamot, sandalwood, and musk. Oh, that smells really nice. I actually really like that. That smells really nice. Yes, I love it. Okay, that's going in my purse now. The retail price of this one is $58. All right, next we have Saturday Skin Scalp and Hair Strengthening Peptide Treatment. Here's what it looks like. And this one says non-grease is valued at $19. It says non-greasy hair treatment delivers nutrients and an energetic buzz to your scalp thanks to the mix of 15 proprietary peptides and caffeine that revitalizes your scalp and promotes cell hair growth. Great for all hair types. It says the key ingredients are caffeine, hop yeast, mix of 15 proprietary peptides plus 7 growth factors and 8 natural skin components like collagen, keratin, and NMF. All right, we're going to see if that works for me. Next, I have the By Rosie Jane Chill, I'll bleep out Everyday Body Milk. It says by Rosie Jane. Here's the box, if you guys can see that. It's very big. This is, how much is in here? This one is 5 ounces. It says you can never have too many skin nourishing products in the lineup during winter, and this body milk is topping our list of can't live without. It says by combining the skin tightening effects of a toner, the hydrating aspects of a moisturizer cream, and soothing aloe vera, your skin will thrive no matter the weather. Great for dry, irritated skin, but works on all skin types. It has aloe vera in it, cucumber, hydrosol, and turmeric root, and sunflower oil. I can't wait to dig into that. All right, and then they tell me about my next Pat McGrath lipsticks. We already talked about that since I got 2 of them. Then I have the Tower 28 Beauty Make Waves Mascara. It says the new staple of your Get Ready With Me videos. This mascara is so comfortable you won't even bat an eye. This endlessly buildable vegan formula Lengthens and volumizes your lashes without any of the annoying clumping or smudging. It's valued at $20. And this is black. So I want to try that. We still have, I think, two more. All right, so I think I skipped one. We have 3 more. This one, which is the Skin Fix Barrier Triple Lipid and Collagen Activating Serum. This is 1 ounce. It is cruelty-free, as all of these products are. It says incorporate this serum into your routine and set a new skin standard for your routine. 10 active ingredients, including powerhouses like niacinamide and peptides, go to work on your skin to plump, firm, and reduce the appearance of fine lines. I have a theme here, I feel like. All right. I love working these into my beauty routine. Then we have a First Aid Beauty Bronze and Glow Drop with niacinamide. $28 is the retail price for this, as I throw it across the room almost. It says, whether or not a tropical vacation is in the cards this winter, you'll at least look like you came back from one with these glow drops. The skincare evens your skin tone, blurs your pores, keeps your skin looking hydrated and fresh while layering perfectly under makeup or with other skincare products. That's what it looks like. So right here. So I think that'll be nice. I kind of like that. If you can see it, I put it right there. All right. And my last item is this fun little thing. This is called a Gaiam safety alarm. It is $30 retail. And it says, give yourself a little extra peace of mind and added protection while you're out on a run or a walk or just out and about. This alarm acts as a deterrent and distress signal, featuring an easy pull alarm that can be heard up to 1,000 feet away and circular strobe light. Batteries are included, so it'll be ready to go when you are. So I thought this was so tiny. I love the size. You can easily put this in your hand. If you're out for a walk, hook it on your belt loop. It would be so easy to just take with you, and if you're in trouble, you just need to hit it. So if you fall and can't get up, or heaven forbid you're being attacked or mugged, you could use this to deter anybody. So that's why I picked it. I thought it was good for me to have. I travel a lot by myself. I might just keep it in my car and grab it anytime I'm feeling like I may need it. That's everything. What did you think? I think I did add a couple extras into mine. It looks like I had 11 items that I shared with you all. Of course, these are my picks. I love going through when they say customization window is open. I have so much fun going through and picking my items. If you're interested in giving this a try, I'll put my link down below. I think it is a great subscription box, and I really do think their prices are awesome for some of the beauty products that I would never pay the retail price for. So if you'd like to give them a try, this is a great way to do it. You can always shop and do add-ons. So if you did get one of these at a great price and you want to buy it again, it is in their store and you can add it to your next box. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Share your favorite products out of this. Tell me what you got in your box, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody.